Hello, Bebecitas! Welcome back to this beautiful channel. Today I have a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to show you guys all the goodies that I received for July 2020 Boxycharm. This is for the base box, again, for July 2020. If you're interested in seeing all the goodies that I got for this month, go ahead and keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy. So this month's theme is sunshine, and the variation that I received is number 31. The very first thing that stood out to me was this 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. This is a daytime booster to fortify the skin against harmful aggressors of the digital age. It is a booster that shields against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. I consider this kind of like a serum. It's supposed to be used with your moisturizer, or it can be used right after cleansed skin. It's a pretty rich looking serum, if I do say so myself. It looks nice and thick. The next product is this Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask. It says here that if you're suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes, you can use these to perk them up, and it'll be just like if you've had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They're supposed to revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. So these are really nice to wear underneath your eyes before applying your foundation and while you're doing your eye makeup, because it kind of catches off any fallout from your eyeshadow, and at the same time just gives you nice hydration, ready for nice concealer application. And you did get quite a bit of product. You get 12 of these little eye mask, so 12 pairs. The next item is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette, and we got the festival the first round one, I guess, the first edition a few months ago. I would say almost a year ago, and this is the second version of it. It is more of a warm tone and pinky toned eyeshadow palette. You do get 5 mattes and what seems to be like 5, 6, 7 shimmers. And this is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formula, these cruelty-free pigments come complete in matte and transition shades. The next product is the Juice Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. It's very deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that's easy and effortless to apply. And it says here the design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during the application. So the first side I did a really thick line, and the second one I did a really thin line, and it seems really highly pigmented and pretty matte as well. I don't know if it's waterproof though. And then the very last item is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I got mine in dark brunette, and this is a very ultra precise pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. It's the 1.4 millimeter tip, provides complete control for natural and defined brows. So on one side you do have a spoolie, which is really nice because you don't need to have a separate one for that. And then this is what the tip looks like. It's really thin, and you can see here it's kind of a vertical type of pencil. It's not a round tip, which is really nice to create some really thin hair stroke. And here you can see the color dark brown with a lot of pressure to see how dark I can get it, and you can get it kind of dark, but it's not like super black. I don't know how many shades there are in total, but that seems like a really good color for me because it's not too warm. And then these are all the products that I got, and the total for this box came out to be $241. I'll go ahead and put some information about Boxycharm in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I love you guys and stay blessed. Bye.